Hello. I just wanted everyone to know thank you so very much for all the little things you have sent to me. I've not been feeling very well since yesterday. Just been sleeping away mostly. But I'm hanging in there. Oh yeah. Tigger was playing with his toy this morning. Poor baby boy. He somehow twisted his back paw again and just started yelling and crying. So now I gotta keep him inside for a couple more days. And he doesn't understand why he needs to stay inside to heal up that leg. But otherwise, we both are doing okay. We're over and out for now.